In Excel, you can take data from two different sheets and combine that to make a simple pivot table. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. In this workbook, there are two sheets with data, the East region and the West. Both tables are identical in their structure, the same number of columns, the same headings, and the same type of data in each column. To create the pivot table, there's no command on the ribbon, so I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Alt-D and then P. That opens the pivot table and pivot chart wizard at step 1 of 3. I'm going to use multiple consolidation ranges and click Next. I want to create my own page fields and click Next. And now we select ranges and set up the page field. For the first range, I'm on the East sheet. I'll select all the heading cells and the data and add. The next one is from the West sheet. Select the headings, all the data, and add. For the page fields, I'm using 1. I'm going to name each range. So I'll start with the East and call it East, then select West and call it West, and click Next. I would like this pivot table on a new sheet. I'll click Finish, and there's the pivot table. It has added all of the columns from the pivot table. The first column from the table is what shows up as row labels. So we're going to get totals for each type of item. The other columns are just alphabetical order from the source data, and we don't need most of them. I just want to keep the totals and the units. Click OK. So there they are. I don't need this grand total. It's going to add up two different things. So I'll right-click and remove grand total. Now it's showing these as a count. I would like a sum, so I'll right-click, Summarize Values by Sum. And now we can see the total for binders and units. At the top, it says page 1. I'm going to change that to region. And instead of all, we could look at East, or we could look at West. The data has come from two different tables, but it's combined here in a very simple pivot table.